Hey everybody, it's your girl Elo for Life, and today I have something exciting for you all. If you want to see how I did this most beautiful install and what my base is looking like for this, then keep watching my video and we're going to get right into it. So anyway, let's go ahead and get together. Let's go ahead and get on with the video. So if you didn't see my previous video, okay, the one I did with my daughter, here are the 6-inch Tiana Passion Twists. These are her latest Passion Twists that have come out. And like I said, they're 6 inches. Now, she has all different lengths. As you see my previous videos, you already know what her Passion Twists look like. I absolutely love the Toyotress hair because it's so soft. It doesn't have a film on it. And it just feels really, really nice, and they last a very long time. Now, when I installed these on my daughter about 4 weeks ago, her hair still looks good. Those Passion Twists still look the bomb, okay? And I'm just so impressed with this product. Now, it is a little bit more expensive than other hair, but I mean, you're going to pay for quality, right? So, I will put a link in the description of where you can get these. You can actually get them on Amazon. So just go on Amazon and look up Toyotress and you'll find these. So here are the, hopefully my camera will focus, but these are the 6-inch Passion Twists. I love how short they are. So I'm going for a shorter style this time, more of a bob type of style. You do get 12 on each ring. And I did get 8 packs. And her hair is about $65. So 8 packs, $65. You can also buy in individual packs. So let me go ahead and show you my base of my hair. My base. Okay. So I'm going to take this off. Now this is what I did earlier this morning. Now the products I used on my hair is, of course, I always use my main choice. Don't get much better than this. I love this stuff, y'all. Y'all need to cop this. I use this on my hair, like in the middle of my hair and stuff, around here. I don't use edge control all throughout my hair like you see some YouTubers that use, because I just find out that gives you a lot of buildup on your hair, puts a lot of buildup on there, and it also causes itching after a while. And then when you scratching your scalp, you know, you see that little dirt sitting in the middle of your fingernail. So I find that it's better to only apply edge control just around the perimeter to give it a little bit more sleek. I don't even apply it in the back because ain't nobody gonna see the back of my hair. You're only gonna really see like maybe the sides up here in the front. So that's the only place I will apply edge control. Now, I talked about this in my previous video. She is bomb edge control. And I did say I was going to do I did do a review or initial boxing on this. And as far as the edge control, it is fast drying. It very is fast drying. So I'm not sure how well it's going to hold, but it's probably in another video. Maybe I'll do an update on my Passion Twist. And then I did lay this on my hair around the edges, but what I did not like about this, it did not give me the shine that I like. So I did cop her glaze. And if you all didn't see my previous video, you know what edge control smell like. And it smells good, actually. I've seen Beauty But Time, she uses this product. And then the glaze. So I only put like a little bit. I don't use a lot of edge control. And I only put it at the beginning of where I'm starting to braid my hair. That's where I put it. And then I put the glaze right there on top. And I'm brushing it a little bit. And then I start braiding. But the majority of the part, I'm using this product. One, it's going to keep my hair moisturized throughout my entire protective style. So anyway, let me get a little bit closer so you can see what's going on here. So what I did was I wanted to do something a little different. And I don't know if you all can see that, but let me turn to the side. Because my camera is, I just feel so weird, y'all. Okay, let me turn to the side. So I wanted to do something different. Typically what you see in any crochet style is people either braiding the hair going to the back, corn rolling hair going to the back, or lately people have been using like the individual plaits in the front of the hair, braiding it together. Even I've used that in my previous installs, and then they braid it going to the back. So this time I wanted to do something a little bit different. I didn't want any crochet hair on this side. So I had actually parted my hair down the middle, like in half, front half, back half. And then what I did was I took where I wanted my part to be, which is looking at the camera. So it looks a little weird in the camera. It's right here. And then over here I have made like 4 individual twists. And I did use black rubber bands to give it a more sleek look. It's not tight at all. I did use oil on my rubber bands, and then I just did like a little crisscross. So there will not be any crochet hair on this side whatsoever. I just want to do something different. And then what I did was I did a little individual plaits right here in the front, right here, and then right here. My hair was a little thin right there, so I didn't want to push it. So I wanted it to look like a little individual crochet right here in the front, just in case, you know, if my hair was or the wind was to go back, it'd look like they're individuals, and instead of one plait just going across. And then I have 4 plaits, as you can see, going to the side, and then I connected that into one plait. So that's how I got the flat base. And then of course in the back, I did the rest of my hair crocheted down and connected all the braids together. And I have, of course, you see 7 in the back. What I plan on doing is just crocheting the hair down on this side. I'm going to crochet the hair down on this side. So I'm going to be going down with the needle. And where's my needle? Or my crochet hook. With the crochet hook, I don't see it, but of course, Toyotress always provides crochet hooks. I have like so many crochet hooks. It's absolutely crazy. So I'm going to actually just, I look in the mirror. I'm actually just going to crochet my hair going down these plaits, going down this way. That way the hair is going to swing over this way. So even in the front, I may just put a crochet. You know, these are small, so these are short. So let me take one out. Pack that I already opened. Let me go ahead and take one out. So you can see what I mean. I plan on just crocheting the hair over. So these are going to lay over here like this. Okay. And that's the style that I'm going for. Once I am done, I'll probably come back and do my little sections where I've done like maybe a couple of packs. That way you can see how far it's gotten with this particular layout. I've never done this layout before, so this is my first time doing it. So we're going to see how it turns out. But I feel like it should turn out okay. If it doesn't, oh well, I'm stuck with it. I'm going to wear it. And it is what it is. So I will be back with a few install of some of this hair, and be back momentarily. So this is actually 4 packs later, and initially I always do like a couple packs and then maybe 3 packs later, but I'm just going to do where I've gotten halfway through with the install. So as you can see, it's getting pretty full with 4 packs. I was a little nervous that I wasn't going to be able to finish with the next 4 packs, but you will all see in the final look at how everything turned out. And that's it, y'all. I mean, these are looking beautiful so far. So we're going to go ahead and keep going, and we'll look at the final review. These passion twists, I'm telling you, I love Toyotress passion twists. They didn't do anything with this 6-inch. Now, I don't know if they can get any lower than this in length or anything whatsoever. I mean, they got the 6-inch, then they got the 8-inch, the 10-inch, the 14-inch. You know, you can go out there and look. This install, this is what the final looks. This is what the final, what it's looking like right now. with the install that I did, with the base install that I did. And I feel like I achieved the style that I wanted to achieve, because I didn't want any hair up, a lot of hair up in my face. And I really wanted it on the side for like a little side bob look. Yeah, I absolutely love these twists. I don't have any complaints about Toyotress crochet hair at all. A lot of people do complain that $65 is a bit much compared to other brands, but you also have to look at the quality that you're getting. These things are so soft. They're comfortable. I sleep in them with the bonnet on. I work out in these. My daughter's had hers in for 5 to 6 weeks now, and they still look good. They still look good. And you know, some companies, their crochet hair starts to look a little raggedy, you know, after a couple of weeks. It starts to look bushy and frizzed out and everything like that. But these, I'm telling you. Now, this is not right after I did my install. This is actually 4 days later, you guys, because I did not get a chance to film this right after my install, because I needed to get up and out the door, had somewhere to go, and I didn't get home till super late that night. And I told myself I was going to do it the next day, and I didn't. So this is actually a 4-day, after 4 days of installing these in my hair. So you can see it look real good. They're shiny. They're so cute. I get a lot of compliments on these. I know I can take these out and reuse them with no problem. I will be taking my daughters out. I will be cleaning them and then reinstalling them back into a different style. She absolutely loves it. I think that's like the first type of crochet style that she really, really liked. She doesn't even want me to take them out, but I gotta take them out. I gotta deep condition her hair, take care of her hair underneath, because you know this is a protective style, and just because we have our hair in these protective styles, we still have to take care of our hair underneath. But with that being said, let me just turn around so you all can see how full it is. I did use a lot of hair on the side because I wanted it to be full. And sometimes my little twist gets in front of my face, but that's okay, because all you got to do is just move it over like that and you'll be fine. I did use all 8 packs. Now this is my first time using all 8 packs of hair. Now depending on your dome size, okay, depending on how big your hair is and how many braids you put in your hair, you may require more packs of hair. Luckily, I still had another pack left from my daughter's hair when I did her hair. I still had another pack left, but I did use all 8 packs of my hair. I used it all. That's the first time that's ever happened. But I know what I did. I did a lot of close crocheting up in this area. So I think that if I would have did my regular install, I probably would not have used so many. I probably wouldn't have used all the packs, but that's okay. I'm going to reuse these again once I take them out. I'm not going to leave these in for a long time because I still have more hair videos coming for you all. I love this. I love crochet hairstyles, and because I work out 4, 5, or 6 times a week, I wanted something light, something airy. They don't get in my way, even when I work out. And I don't even tie my hair down. I just put a little headband on, sweat headband on, and I go to work. So with that being said, stay locked into my channel. Rate, comment, and subscribe. If you want more hair videos, if you want me to do some more product reviews, leave a comment below. And let me know what y'all thinking, okay? With that being said, God bless, stay safe, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Deuces.